this is a celebration. Right here. This is it right here. And we'll just do it right here. Ouch! Woo! That was good. Yeah. All right. Now we're gonna do one of the last races of Oil Joe Speedway. Right here.
Hey, we got some more games.
Woo! Jump to go-karts, buckle up. Lap sign at the last part of it. Yeah.
Aiden's cheater.
Yeah. Cheater. Alright guys, this could be the last race of the year, the last race of Oil Joe Speedway. Woo! Number 25 just shut off. Okay, race at your own risk event, so please do so safely. Don't do anything that'd be hard on your go-karts or hard on your body. At the last part of the race, I'm going to hold up the last lap sign. That means go around one more time, and after that, slowly pull into the pit where you are right now. You got that?
Yeah!
All right. Are you guys ready to race? All right. 3, 2, 1, go! Go! And they're off. The last race of the year. It's been fun, but it hasn't been real fun. We're just kidding. The wounded go-karts for the day. We're gonna clean this place up tomorrow. And we will call it an adventure that lasted all summer long. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys. I call this the meth lab just because it's like, well, we'll see right here. Ding! North Dakota's largest producing meth lab. Just kidding. I actually did want to shoot a music video in here. I don't think I'll get to it though. This is where I stand and wave my flags, like the last lap sign. Right here. And then I've got my checkered flag.
Get ready, leave the floor.
All right. Woo! I'm joining one of the last race of the year. Wow! Wow! That's right, buddy! year of the season of Oil Joe Speedway. Yeah! That was good, that was good. How does it feel to be part of Oil Joe Speedway's last race?
It feels pretty good to be part of something so historic.
This is what we do for the last time. Thank you so much for racing. So alright, here we are on our way home. Just finished up Oil Joe Speedway.